The issue now goes to the House.
It is possible the U.S. Supreme Court could uphold Arizona's controversial immigration law. The justices heard arguments today. They didn't seem to have much of a problem with much of the law. So critics of the law are already starting to think about Plan B. Here's Shannon Bream with the very latest.
Republican Arizona Governor Jan Brewer appearing on the steps of the Supreme Court defending what's been called the toughest immigration law in the country. On the same day, justices heard arguments over its validity.
We needed protections for the citizens of Arizona and what Arizona was experiencing as far as the cost element in education and health care and incarceration.
The hearing follows a suit brought by the Obama administration. 4 key portions of SB 1070 were blocked 2 years ago, just a day before the law was scheduled to go into effect. Among them, a provision requiring state and local police to check the immigration status of those they believe are in the country illegally after they've already been lawfully stopped.
Racial profiling is wrong. It's against the law. We amended it to make sure that that wouldn't happen.
The controversial measure, which has served as a model for similar laws in a number of other states, puts Arizona directly at odds with the administration. With several Supreme Court justices appearing ready to uphold portions of the law, activists who say the measure simply amounts to racial profiling spoke out.
I was pulled over twice by Arizona law enforcement and asked for my papers. I've never expected to have to carry my passports in my home country to prove that I belong here.
There is no federal system that would readily clear United States citizens who are stopped during a traffic violation and will be held at the side of the road for an hour or more while they're asked to prove their right to be in their own country.
Some Democratic lawmakers are already looking into ways to nullify SB 1070 should the court decide to uphold it. A decision is due by June. At the Supreme Court, Shannon Bream, Fox News.
Well, if you're going to meet the president, leave your snacks at home.
One Colorado college